Okay, gonna see if this thing works. The instructions are cut off the head. Oh dear. I'll cut a bit more on because some of it isn't looking very good. Oh, that's better. All right. We stick this in the middle. Okay. And then we turn. Really? Okay. Okay. I'm pushing. I'm turning. Pushing and then turning. Trying to go straight. Not sure I'm going very straight. Oh, definitely not straight. Okay, try and straighten out. Okay. Straighten out a little bit. Okay. And then apparently it's supposed to feel differently when you get down to the end. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna keep going until I can't go anymore. I should have maybe measured. Ooh, look at all that juice though. I think I want to collect some of that. Ooh, yummy. Okay. Oh, I think I'm down at the end. All right. And then we're supposed to try and pull it out. Okay, I'm pulling. I'm twisting and I'm pulling. Ooh, look, it's coming out. All right, well, it's more fun than I thought. Okay. Wow. Ooh, lots of juice. Okay. Pour the juice. There we are. I do have just a few pieces, so I think I want to take those out first. Because I don't want to swallow those. Pretty good. And then you take the handle part off. Squeeze and pull. And then push it down. What? And then that way you get nice circles, which I don't actually need because I'm using this in a blender, but you would cut them off for circles. Well, cool. To be honest, totally worth it because it takes forever to cut all that skin off and take all the little bits off.